Okay, so this is how we're going to set up your GoDaddy account so that it's sending the traffic for your domain name to Mission Suite. So you see here, I'm in my list of domain names here. I'm going to use my accounts as an example to this. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'll use this enscampbell.com domain as my example. The first thing that I'm going to do here is go over to my DNS and click on that button, and this is going to take me to my zone settings. And so you'll see here we've got an A record that's parked, and so which basically means that it's not in use. And this is all done, like I said, through GoDaddy, so it's kind of their default when you buy a new domain through them. So what we're going to do is we're going to bounce back over to Mission Suite, and you'll notice that enscampbell.com and the website URL is the same, so it's enscampbell.themissionsuite.com. So you have that all set up, and those are the same between GoDaddy, the domain that you want to use, and the subdomain that you've assigned to your Mission Suite website. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little help button here, and this is going to show you the IP addresses that you need to add for that domain. So to the A record for that domain. So we're going to pull the first one, so this .82. And I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to come back over to my domain manager. Now, there's only one A record set up with any new domain name on GoDaddy. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit the first one, and then we're going to add a second one so that we can have that load balancing between the two IP addresses. And so we're going to click on this edit button here, and we're going to leave this all as is. So leave the host as the @ sign. We're going to change. We'll leave this as custom and 600 seconds. The only thing that we're going to change is this points to option. So we're going to paste that IP address that we copied into that points to, and then we're going to save it. And so now we have the first A record set up, and then we're going to add a second A record. And so you're going to choose the A. You're going to choose from the type selection. It's going to be A, and it's going to be that host again is going to be the @ symbol, and then the points to. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change this to the second IP address, and now we'll just copy that in. We can leave this as, this is fine. You can leave it as an hour, as a half hour, whatever the default is that it's set to you, and we're going to save that. So now you can see we've got this A record here, which is the .82 record, and then we've got the second A record, which is the .83 A record. And so now what that'll do is it'll take a few minutes to actually go, make its way through the web. But once that's done, that's going to, every time that you type in enscampbell.com, it's going to direct you to the enscampbell.themissionsuite.com site. But instead of showing enscampbell.com or enscampbell.themissionsuite.com, it'll show enscampbell.com. So that's how you're going to set that up. Set up those A records there, and so and of course, if you need help with this, definitely let me know, and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks so much.